Hi friends, it's time for another spelling and phonics lesson for this week, and we're going to be starting Unit 9, Week 1. And if you look at this picture, you can see that that's a picture of a cow. And this is what we call our sound this week is called a diphthong. A diphthong changes the sound, like as you're saying it. So, ow, O-U, ow. So you can see the picture here says cow, C-O-W, and it's O-W together that say the ow sound. Sometimes we know that that also says O, like in snow. So today and this week, we're learning how does it make the ow sound. The other spelling for the ow sound is O-U. Ow. Let's look at another example. This is a picture. This is a picture of what? It's pretty easy. Say it out loud. Let's see if you're right. I think you were. It's a house. And if you look at the spelling for house, we see that it's H-O-U-S-E. So the O-U is what makes the ow sound. And here we have one of those silent E's again. So, ow, house. Let's look at these pictures. More examples of either using OU to say ow or OW to say ow. So if we look at this first picture here, you can see that is the picture of a cloud. We have a blend in the beginning. Cloud. Cloud. And if we look at our next picture, we see that that's a crown. In the beginning for this word, we have a blend. Ow. So when we blend them together, it says crown, crown. Let's look at this next picture. It's a picture of a mouth. Let's look at the sounds. Ow. And then we have our sound together, right? Our digraph makes a soft sound. Ow, mouth. And let's look at this last picture, one of my favorite things. You know, I love animals. And let's look at, it's in the beginning of the word. So we have O-W-L for owl. Excuse me. So O-W, owl, owl. It kind of sounds like there should be another vowel, like an E in there, but there's not. It's just O-W-L, owl. All right, here's your words for the week. And remember that you need to be writing your spelling words every day. Write a sentence for each word and practice that as much as you can. Different sentences. Make sure you try different kinds too. Maybe some questions or ones with exclamation mark that really show feeling. Make sure that you also practice capitals in the beginning and that punctuation at the end. Have someone quiz you. And remember, take that final test on Friday. All right, so we are starting Unit 9, and this is Week 1. Our focus this week is we use goods and services. Our essential question is, it should be why do people trade with each other? All right, so we're going to be talking about goods and services, which means things that you can buy or sell, or services. For example, like going to the salon. That's a service, getting your hair done or getting your nails done. Or a service, fixing your car. Those are services that people provide for us. Goods are items like foods, groceries. So we're going to be talking about through history, how have people used goods and services for others? How do we get those things? All right, our vowel pattern for this week is OW and OU for owl, like in cow. And we're going to be talking about comparative endings like ER and EST, like bigger or the biggest, tinier, tiniest. Those are comparing words, so we can tell which one is the most and which one is the least. when we compare words. All right, here's our spelling. So number 1, our first word is the word how. It's spelled H-O-W. Let's sound it out. Ow, how. Our second word is the word brown. Let's spell it. B-R-O-W-N. Begins the blend. Excuse me. Brown. Brown. Our third word, really, we're just substituting that B with an F. So it's frown. Let's spell it. F-R-O-W-N. Our blend in the beginning, frown. Frown. Number 4, the word is loud. We spell it L-O-U-D. Loud. Our sounds are L, ow, d. Loud. Number 5, the word is count. We spell it C-O-U-N-T. Our sounds are k, ow, nt. There's that blend at the end. Count. Number 6, the word is round. Another blend at the end. We spell it R-O-U-N-D. Our sounds are round. Round. Number 7, our word is down. We spell it D-O-W-N. Our sounds are d, ow, down. Number 8, the word is sprout. We spell it S-P-R-O-U-T. And we have 3-letter blend here. Our blend in the beginning is spur, out, sprout. All right, and then we have our 2 high frequency words. Our first high frequency word for the week is before. Remember, this silent E helps us O say it sound. Before. That one does spell and sound out pretty well. Number 10, the word is done. Done. Now this one does not follow the rules because this silent E should be telling this to say O, but it does not. It sounds like an short U. Done. Let's look at our high frequency words for this week. About, before, done, and even. Make sure you're practicing those all week. Here's our review words. Very important to review because we're getting ready for 2nd grade. School, earth, move, city, near, change, laugh, they, every, away, for, and where. All right, make sure you practice those words. Okay, friends, here is our fluency for the week. And across the top, we have our spelling words with our new objective, which is ow sound and spelling. So our first word is brown, then flower, out, outside, house, about, before, done, even, shouted. All right, I'll read it to you and then you can always pause it and read it yourself. Here we go. Last night in my house, I saw a mouse. The mouse was little and brown. The mouse ran right under a flower pot. I ran about my room and shouted for my mom. I think I was quite loud. The mouse was cute, but I asked my mom to get it out before I go to sleep. Before I knew it, the job was done. I didn't even see her do it. She got the mouse. Then she let it free outside in the back of our house. Now I am free to sleep in peace. What an adventure with a mouse. All right, friends, here are some practice sentences that you can use and your parents can use, like the rest of the weeks that we've had. You can use them for handwriting practice. You can use them for dictation. Your parents can dictate the sentence to you and you can practice your writing. So our first sentence is for the word loud. The car horn is loud. Our next one is for the word how. How many pets do you have? Our next one is for the word down. I rolled down the hill. The next one is for the word count. Will you count the dimes? Our next word is round. The sun is round. Our next word is frown. I frown when I am sad. The next word is sprout. Plants sprout in the spring. Our next word is brown. My dog has brown spots. Our next word, this is our high frequency word, before. I eat before I go to school. And our last word is done, high frequency word. Is the toast done yet? Oh, question mark on that one. We have two sentences with a question. Oh, three sentences with question marks. So make sure if you're using it for dictation, you practice the capitalization and the punctuation on each of these. Okay, friends, we're getting closer to the end, but we still need to practice and get ready for second grade. Our spelling and phonics and our reading is so important. All right, I hope you have fun practicing, and I'll see you later, friends. Bye.